My Landlady and I.
Thank you for coming out. The actual reason I called this meeting is because I want to set out my new rules and regulations in my house, in my compound. And though I understand that when you people moved in, they gave you people rules and regulations, that still stands. But you know, I've added some things that I want you people to keep to. It's for the betterment and the good of you and I.
So, landlady, please can you make it snappy? You were supposed to give us notice about this meeting rather than knocking at our door this morning telling us about this meeting.
Hey, who asked you to talk? So they did not train you that when elders are talking, you should close your mouth.
Landlady!
It's not your fault.
Come, see. Ma.
Kenny.
Mama, please, you just say what you want to say now. You can't just wake up one Monday morning, call us for meeting without any information, anything. It's not like that now. Say what you want to say. If you don't say it, I'll just leave this meeting. I have where to go. What's all this now?
You have somewhere to go. Leave. Why don't you leave? And before you come back, you will see all your jargons outside.
Do anything you want to do.
Ha! No problem.
Madam Landlady, please just spill out whatever you want to say. We have appointment to catch up with. I beg.
You have appointment to catch up with. This is appointment too. Since you people are too busy and in a haste to hear what I have to say, no problem, but I will still talk the cocoa. The main reason is that my gate, I will be locking it 7 p.m. Benny, anybody who is not back from wherever they took their legs to should sleep where they went to. And in the morning, 7:30 a.m. is when I'm opening my gate. If you are not okay with it, go in, pack your things, and go.
Ha! Landlady, you don't have conscience at all. You don't have conscience. In this Lagos that there's traffic up and down, you want somebody to return to this house 7 p.m.
Don't you have money to build a house?
See, all this one you are saying, it's for your own pocket. Me, I will come back anytime and I will enter. Anything you like, anything you want to do, me, anytime I'll come back.
You will tell me if it is your house or it is my house.
Landlady, your own is too much. Are you the only landlady in Lagos that are just doing up and down? Are you the only one that owns house?
Why did you not build your own house? When I was building my house, where were all of you?
We were here. We were in our villages. Chop your house. We will come back anytime we like.
Okay, Koburu, you will enter my trap.
Who closed this gate?
Who is there?
It's me, your landlady.
Hey. Welcome.
Why is the gate locked now?
What is your time?
1 minute past 7. You said 7 p.m. This is 1 minute after 7 and you locked the gate.
Oga, 1 minute is enough for a pregnant woman to deliver.
I will bring down this gate, oh.
When you have your house, you bring the gate down.
You open this gate.
Where is Sioni? Are you okay?
1 minute past 7 and she has locked the gate.
Do you want to spoil my gate?
God. The problem is this one now.
What is the noise for?
Cockroach and bed bug. I have locked him out. He will serve as an...
you.
I told everybody, when it is 7 p.m, you stay outside.
What is your problem? You just like this for him now.
Are you the owner?
What rubbish is this one? What is your problem in this house?
Hey, madam.
Landlady, your own is becoming too much.
It's too much now.
1 minute after 7, you close the gate. Why now?
Is it your house?
She still have mouth to talk.
She didn't try it.
She still have mouth to talk.
Yeah. Let me tell you, just give me my balance. I'm leaving this house.
I will restore your balance. Please leave my house before you talk him. You want to kill me? You want to kill me? Hey! They have killed me. oh, my daughter, they want to kill me. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, my body. Yes. My body. What happened? My body. They want to kill me. They want to kill me.
You see what I'm saying? Stop beating the landlady now. It's not. I'm not leaving this house again. The landlady.
Mommy, calm down. Let me say they just beat you now. Calm down. In short, everybody's leaving my house.